Dak 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 dakan na with Mora and EU. Hello mga basketbolera. Sana'y okay kayong lahat sa kung nasan man kayo, and sana masaya kayo with all the basketball happenings around the Philippines and throughout the entire world. I'm here again with EU. EU, kamusta ka naman, bro?
Okay naman, masaya. And nga, patapos na yung first round ng UAAP. But we're here to actually celebrate and to commemorate the most recent Gilas win, winning gold in the Asian Games. And with that in mind, ano ba yung naisipan natin gawin ngayon? Ang tawag natin dito, Mora, ay
Rank Rakan! It's a rank!
So, ang gagawin natin ngayon, over the last 10 years, Gilas has had its fair share of ups and downs. And we're here to rank the best 10 wins over the last 10 years. At paano ba natin gagawin yon, Mora?
Well, basically, hahatiin natin yung each game, each win into tiers. Tiers as in tiering, hindi siya into tiers as in luha, pare. So, I think may mga ibang games dito na it ended with the entire Philippines in tears dahil sa saya, tears of joy, pero hindi yung tearing na gagawin natin. Ayan, pinapakita na ni Shed yung tearing na gagawin natin. Sige, EU, if you may explain what the different tiers are.
Sige, so start muna tayo sa pinakababa, yung easy tier or easy wins. Ito siguro yung mga games na expected namang manalo or yung odds in the favor naman of the Philippines. And it's not as memorable as the other wins. But then, it still made the top 10. So, ano ba yung next tier natin?
So, basically, the next tier is Believe Kami. Bakit tayo bibilib, EU? Let's go.
Believe tayo kasi kahit pa paano, may slight, parang 50-50 yung game na hindi tayo sigurado kung manalo ba tayo o hindi, pero kahit pa paano nanalo pa rin yung Gilas. So, yun. Next year, A, against all odds. So, slightly favored yung kalaban or meron curse beforehand na hindi natin ma-break tapos biglang may na-break. So,
yun parang alam ko na kung ano yung nandun
Aleho. Pero merong mas mataas dyan, which is the S tier. Ano yan, pre?
Ano ba yung S tier, pare? Yun yung shotgun. Ganja, Buddha.
Siguro S can also stand for wins that will share with future generations as groundbreaking wins and very, very memorable wins for Gilas Pilipinas. And
so yeah, I think it's shotgun kasi pare, grabe yung pasabog na nangyari doon na parang hindi mo inaasahan. But it is what happened. And it's something na hanggang, I think, years to come, hindi natin makakalimutan. And masaya tayo na hopefully napanood natin yung games na live.
And so we'll begin with the first win that we're going to rank. So we're going in chronological order. And the very first win that we'll discuss is the 2013 win by Gilas against Korea here in Manila in the FIBA Asia Championship. And if you remember, this is the win that gave Gilas its first World Cup berth after how many years. It also is the game that broke the Korean curse of losing consecutive games to the Korean national team. And sige, Mora, para sa'yo, anong tier ba ito dapat pumasok?
Pare, kung ako yung tatanungin, gusto ko siya ilagay sa S. Pero, sige, reserve natin yung S sa mga special moments. I'm putting this sa A dahil lang, for me, this is one of the games na I'll never forget. I remember with the entire nation watching across right in front of the televisions and with the entire Araneta Coliseum. Pare, umiyak ako. Humagulgul ako when this happened.
Hindi yata sa Araneta to. Sa MOA na.
Hindi, yung Araneta bro, nanonood din kahit na nasa MOA. Yung game.
Okay. Sorry.
Umiyak yung Araneta kasi sabi nila ba't hindi dito ginawa. Pero...
I'll agree na nasa A tier nga siya. I remember regretting not getting tickets for this game. Tanda ko pumila ako noon, tapos nung tinanong na akong kahera, anong gusto niyo pong bilhin? Yung quarterfinals or semifinals? Pinili ko yung quarterfinals kasi sabi ko, baka kasi di umabot ng semis eh. Pinagalitan tuloy ako. Wala kang tiwala sa Gilas. And I could say that with the rest of the Philippines, dito nagsimula yung tiwala or yung hope ng general Philippine population sa Gilas, Pilipinas. After
ito yung di ba bro, yung pumila ka tapos nung tinanong ka ng kahera kung ano yung gusto mo, number niya hiningi mo. Yun ba yun?
So yun. So I agree na A tier nga siya. So, yun. So next, nag-agree tayo sa A for the Gilas win over Korea. The next win is 2014 in the FIBA Asia Cup. This is the game won against China to win the bronze medal. And if you remember, China missed 2 free throws or 1 free throw. And what ended up happening was Paul Lee got the ball at the 3-point line and he was fouled after a pump fake. And he made all 3 free throws which gave the Philippines the bronze medal. So, sige Mura, para sa'yo, itong panalo na to against a China team that had a young Zhu Qi, where will this rank?
Ako bro, this is one of the games I'll also keep in my memory. For me, bago pa magkaroon ng D'Angelo Russell, ito yung ice in my veins moment. So, it's a special moment pero it's not as memorable as breaking the Korea curse. So I'm looking at putting it at B. Kasi pare, believe talaga ako kay Paul Lee. After nito, I wanted the Paul Lee jersey. Paul Lee gratis.
Yeah.
Paul Lee.
Paul Lee iba tayo na. Actually, I agree na B nga rin. I'd say, actually, minsan napapaisip ko na baka sa easy lang to kasi yung China team na nakalaban nila, although it had Zhu Qi, it was a very young China team. Yung pwede po pa kang sabihin na B team lang ng China kasi ilan lang sa kanila yung eventually naging players ng China.
Class B lang.
So, pero sige, I agree na nasa B tier itong panalo na to. It's still nice to win a medal in an international competition, but it doesn't rank as high as the other wins. So,
siguro added factor din bro na game winner siya. Yeah. Iba rin yung excitement that a game winner brings to the table than close game or even lopsided game, di ba?
So,
sige, next, bro?
So, for the next Gilas win that we found significant is the win against Senegal in the 2014 FIBA World Cup. You have to remember that this came against the Senegal team that already qualified for the next round. And the Philippines was already eliminated. So, playing for pride and for puso na lang talaga. And what a way for the Philippines to close out the World Cup, winning in overtime against a Gorgui Dieng-led Senegal. And sige, Mora, para sa'yo.
For me, bro, wag lang din natin kalimutan that this game actually made sure that we won't go... we didn't. go home winless in that World Cup tournament. So, as much as gusto ko siya ilagay sa A dahil lang World Cup siya, feeling ko B siya, bro.
B?
Sige.
Ako, dito ako
Sige.
magdi-disagree. Well, for me, feel ko A siya.
Okay.
Kasi looking at the previous games, ito pa yung World Cup na 24 teams lang. Tapos 5 games lang. And for the other 4 games ng Gilas, lahat ng laban close. Siguro hindi lang close yung laban sa Greece.
Yep.
But we lost the heartbreaker. We lost heartbreakers against Croatia, Argentina, and even Puerto Rico. And to be that close to getting a win, then finally to get that World Cup win in the end, for me was just memorable because it gave me so much hope. It even gave me hope that, baka mag-gold yung Gilas sa Asian Games. Na obviously hindi nangyari kasi wala na tayong panalo sa Asian Games na nasa ranking na to. But and for me, it's an A tier win. But sige, lagay na lang muna natin sa B.
Hindi. Ako, I would agree. Kasi actually, di ba sinabi ko pa nga no start na I wanted to put it sa A. Pero kasi hindi ko alam kung did it matter much. I think doon ako napaisip eh. Pero it was our first World Cup win in a very long time. So it really meant something.
Yun. So sige, A tier ang Gilas Senegal. And for the next game, so this isn't that remembered, but this is the second round game win by Gilas against a Hamed Haddadi-led Iran team in the second round of the 2015 FIBA Asia Championship. For me, I put this in the top 10 because this is a game that if we didn't win, we'd be placed in a bracket where we had to face China in the semis of the FIBA Asia Championship. And the odds weren't in our favor at that time because we already lost to a Palestine team. So for me, kaya siya nasa top 10. But for you, saan mo siya ilalagay na rank, Mora?
Ako, bro, considering that it is against one of our rivals and Hamed Haddadi being a staple in the Asian Games basketball scene, and this is also the game, I think, correct me if I'm wrong, that cemented Jason Castro further into the status of being the top point guard in Asia. So, given the stakes at hand, though it's still not a medal-winning game or any rank-bearing game, so I'm putting it at a B tier.
Yeah, actually, agree na naman ako na B siya. It only improved our odds of making it to the World Cup. The Olympics actually. Parang ito rin yung naging Olympic qualifying if you had to win to make it the Olympics. But this win gave us a better chance of making it there. And I agree naman na B tier din siya. Because mostly, nalimutan na rin ng mga tao to. Na this was a team that had both Asi Taulava and JC Intal and Dondo Nontiveros na nagawa pa nilang manalo sa Iran kahit na natatandaan ng mga players. But, yun, hindi siya as memorable as the rest of the wins.
Ito yung moment na pwedeng sabihin ng Gilas, who's your Haddadi, pare?
Yung nag-foul out si Haddadi dahil kay Abueva talaga. Napaka-memorable din nun. So, yan. But then, still, B tier. So, for the next win that we're going to rank, ito, marami nang nakalimot nito. But for me, it's still one of the most impressive wins. It's a win against China in the group stages of the 2017 FIBA Asia Cup. Why was this impressive? We didn't have... Our naturalized player at that time was Christian Stanhardiger. And he went up against China. But we still managed to pull off a 9-point win behind 26 points behind the 26 points of Terence Romeo. And yun, it's impressive because hindi tayo favored against China. But for you, Mora, anong tier to dapat?
Ako bro, if I remember correctly, ito rin yung game that actually made Terence Romeo household name in terms of Asian basketball. So ito yung dito yata nag-start. Tama ba? Dito nag-start yung may courtside reporter that wanted to be his Juliet. Ito yun, di ba?
Di ako sure. Parang feel ko 2018 pa yun or alam ko sa lead up. Hindi ako sure.
Hindi ito yung game na nag-cheer si Jordan dahil dun sa Jordan Clarkson, hindi Michael Jordan.
Hindi. Jones Cup yun noong 2015 ata. So, way before. Pero, you could say that this is one of the most impressive Terence Romeo games in a Gilas jersey.
So, kung yung USA pare merong the brow, tayo merong the bro. So, it's easily forgotten. Baka pwede ko siya ilagay sa easy dahil easily forgotten siya. Pero it's certainly a game na hindi natin makakalimutan dahil lang we beat one of our rivals, China.
Actually, I agree na nasa easy tier to. Kasi madali siyang kalimutan kasi eventually natalo tayo sa Korea ng tambak. Sa tournament na to. Parang I remember waking up to the news na Korea beat us handily by around, ilan ba yun? They beat us by 32. So lahat ng previous wins ng Gilas at that time, nalimutan na rin ng mga tao. So, yun. It's a win that gave us false hope. And yun lang.
So, next na ba natin? Ranking Gilas losses? Ganun.
Huwag naman, masakit. Huwag muna. Pag natalo tayo sa next na tournament. So,
Huwag naman.
Pag. So, for the next win that we'd like to rank, is the...
Clarify muna natin sino nakatalikod, bro. Sumbulin na yung nakikita eh.
I'll get there. So, this is the 2019 win against Kazakhstan in the FIBA World Cup qualifying. And this win brought us to the 2019 FIBA World Cup. And yung binubuhat nila dyan, si Coach Yeng Giao yan. And yung talagang nagbuhat sa Gilas at that game is no other than Andre Blatch.
At siya rin yung bumubuhat kay Yeng Giao. Hindi lang binuhat niya, bro.
And this is the game wherein they were in Kazakhstan actually, and Blatch finished with 41 big points to carry us to China. So, Mora, para sa'yo, anong tier to dapat?
It's a crucial game just because it gave us that World Cup berth. So, it's a game na dapat at least bigyan natin ng importance. Though I don't think it's ranked amongst the top A or the tier A win. So I'm giving it a B tier rank. Ikaw, bro.
Actually, para sa akin, easy siya.
Okay.
Well, sige. Easy nga ba? Masabi kong easy siya kasi ito yung nagdala sa atin sa World Cup. Pero sige, I'll agree na nasa B na rin kasi to add additional context, tinalo natin tong Kazakhstan team after the same Kazakhstan team actually beat us at home. So tinalo nila tayo in an upset nung previous yung leg na home ng Philippines. So that alone, with that additional context.
So more than, I mean, along with the World Cup berth, meron ding payback no? This is payback.
But sige. Actually, sige, agree na lang ako sa easy. Kasi hindi naman talaga dapat tayo natalo na at home. So yung payback, parang more of the norm lang talaga na mas magaling talaga tayo sa Kazakhstan. So sige, easy na lang. Sorry.
B tier na lang para maguluhan si Sed. Sed B.
Hindi, okay na ako sa easy. Okay na ako sa easy. Sige, so for the next win, and we had to wait 2 years before we got to this win. This is the 2021 FIBA Asia Cup qualifying win against Korea. And this is the Salamat Belangel shot. And for you, Mora, saan to magra-rank amongst
hindi ko makakalimutan to. This is a scene that is played throughout yung mga highlights ng FIBA until now. So hindi natin makakalimutan yung words nung commentator na nagtagalog kahit hindi siya Pinoy, yung
Shout
salamat Belangel, salamat Gilas Pilipinas. So actually ngayon sobrang clear pa rin sa akin yung off balance shot na binording niya. So, given the context of first, this was within the pandemic. So, ang walang basketball, walang anything, this was what kept us, or at least Philippine basketball, alive. And this is what gave us hope na parang yung mga bata natin, yung mga young Filipino ballers, they could actually stand against the national teams of different Asian countries, and actually hindi lang Asia, different national teams ng mga world teams that we have actually faced during this tournament. So I'm putting this sa A tier just because sobrang memorable nung shot na yon, and it's also a shot that I think masasama sa lahat ng kwentuhan pag pinag-usapan mo yung Gilas Pilipinas.
Actually, agree naman ako na A tier to. Sabihin na natin, sige, FIBA Asia Cup qualifying lang naman to. Kahit matalo tayo dito, magka-qualify pa rin naman tayo doon. But to see such a young team beat a Korea team na merong Ricardo Ratliff, halos kompleto yung team ng Korea na pinadala dito noon. And for them to beat them, not only in this game, but in a latter game din, tinalo rin nila. This win will be very, very memorable and A tier worthy nga siya. But, yun, I do have a proposal. Kung A tier yung Belangel shot, tingin ko pwede na nating iangat yung unang Korea win to the S tier. Would you agree?
Pare, alam mo kanina ko pa pinag-isipan niya. Legit. So, I would agree. S for South Korea.
Sorry. S for sorry.
So, S for sure.
S for sorry. A for annyeonghaseyo.
S for sorry. Okay.
Yun. So, after 2021, you have to wait another 2 years to get a significant Gilas win. And at the biggest stage, the Gilas win versus China, the Araneta Coliseum.
Yep.
Napanood natin to ng live.
Pare, legit.
Sige, take it away.
Alam mo, ngayon hindi ko alam kung saan siya ilalagay. Just because may personal bias ako dahil napanood natin sa live. Also, it being at home, it being against one of our rivals. So sana hindi ko siya ino-overrank, but I'm putting it sa A list. A tier.
For you, A tier.
If ilang ako dahil tambak. And non-bearing.
Ako S tier siya, pre. S tier. Kasi,
okay, sige.
Napanood natin live. Napanood natin live. Ang ganda rin ang upuan natin nun.
Pare.
2. Tapos against China, of all
Yes.
teams. Against a coach that once called us a team without much talent. And 3, it gave us an OQT berth. And it denied China an OQT berth as well. And 4th, birthday ni Dwight Ramos. So, ako for me, S tier siya. Kasi, to
Sige,
see...
ako I would agree. Natatakot lang ako na we're putting it sa S tier dahil lang napanood natin sa live. Pero the atmosphere back then was insane.
So, yun. Para sa akin, S tier siya. So, yun. And now,
okay,
the next win is the Gilas versus China game in the Asian Games in the semifinals, which Gilas won after being down by as much as 21 points in the third quarter, thanks in large part to Justin Noy P. Brownlee. And where would you rank
his shotgun moments during the clutch, pare.
So, where would you rank this?
Pare, nasabi na natin, shotgun tong na to. tong game na to, pare. S tier. Just because no one believed, or at least very few believed that we actually had what it takes to actually beat China, especially in their home arena.
And hindi mo rin na-expect yung collapse nila din. Hindi sila nakashoot na free throw, puro turnover.
Pare, kulang na lang magbihis na si Yao Ming, siya na yung maglaro. Legit.
Tapos down 5, tapos biglang 2 tres to take the lead. Tapos yung last shot nila na sobrang wide open na mid-range, wala. How would you even predict that?
Diba?
I remember coming from the Ateneo Lasal game, tapos pauwi na ako. Nakita ko yung score, tambak ako, sige, uwi na ako. So, maya-maya, nakahabol na, titigil muna ako dito. Papanoorin ko muna to. Tapos biglang, wow, nagawa pa nilang makasunod sa China. So,
2 words, bro, 2 words. Justin Brownlee. Justin Brownlee, pare.
S tier nga, no?
S tier.
And with that in mind, for the last Gilas win, it's the most recent and probably one of the most significant wins, which is the gold medal game against Jordan, which is the first gold medal after nearly 60 years. After 60 years. So, where would you rank the most recent win of Gilas?
Pare, this win actually, it first ang hirap kasi it came off that magnificent game against China. Sana hindi tayo ma-hate or mabash, or ako kasi ako magde-decide. Sana hindi ako ma-hate or mabash if I'm ranking this a little lower. Easy, hindi, joke lang. I'm actually ranking it sa tier A just because I think that China game was a little more memorable. This game was totally something na syempre we're extremely proud of, given that we're now Asian champions. We're back at the top of the Asian Games. We're the pinnacle. Tangin ako ano sinasabi ko, hindi ko na alam. Pero, pero,
yung rank star na to eh.
Iba yung dating nung una eh. It was still a Justin Brownlee show. But then again, iba yung pinakita niya versus China. And iba rin yung bigat ng China game.
See, I agree na I was thinking of putting it sa S tier din kasi yun nga, gold. Tapos natambakan tayo ng Jordan dati, tapos biglang nanalo ngayon, but I'm putting it at the A tier din kasi yun nga, mas significant and yung panalo laban sa China. And yun.
Tsaka nakakaaliw din kasi pare kalaban mo si Mini Kobe. Si Lefty Kobe.
Yan. And sige, looking at the tiers, sige, recap lang natin for the easy tiers. For the easy tier, we have the win against China in 2017, the win against Kazakhstan in 2019. For the B tier, we have the win against China in 2014 and the win against Iran in 2015. For the A tier, we have Senegal 2014, Korea 2021, and Jordan 2023. And for the S tier, or the shotgun tier, we have Korea 2013 and the 2 China wins in 2023. So guys, happy ba kayo sa naging tiers namin? Or may sarili ba kayong ranking? Let us know in the comment section or let us know personally.
Gusto nyo ba may i-rank? Rank nyo rin kami, pare. Go.
It's a rank.
Rank as over 10, gano'n. It's a rank! Okay. So,
thank you guys.
Marami pa kami mga trip sa buhay. Kung ano na lang yung natitripan namin, yung susunod, hindi pa natin alam po ano. Pero, we're looking forward. Hopefully, nag-enjoy kayo. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Click that notification bell. Make sure to always be updated with our upcoming videos. And panoorin niyo mga hindi niyo pa napapanood. Kahit napanood niyo, panoorin niyo ulit. Yun.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. And once again, it's a wrap.
Baboosh!